Hi everyone, we have been truly blessed out here in the Peak District with some beautiful Indian summer weather. It's early September and what else but go out into the Peak and film some more episodes for Showtime. You can set off from Curbar Gap car park, or you can go just before the crossroads behind me, or you can pull in just past this gate here on the left. If you wanted to come straight here though, you could probably do it in about 13 minutes. You can come straight up Old Brampton, past the church. You might want to stop in there actually. It's a lovely 12th century church, Old Brampton Church, St. Peter and St. Paul's. There are 6 increments between the 12 and the 1 on the church, so check that out on your way up. Through this gate you keep going all the way up, and there are some Highland cattle. There is the eagle stone. Doesn't look anything like an eagle whatsoever. It's something to do with an old Celtic god, which is called an eagle, so it's been kind of changed a little bit there. And there is the Wellington Monument, erected in the early 19th century in tribute to the Battle of Wellington. So let's see how this stone monument, edge and cattle look from the skies. Woohoo! And from the Wellington Monument on Baslow Edge, you can also see Eagle Rock. You might want to read up about the local folklore of the area. And from the Wellington Monument on Baslow Edge, there is a lovely viewpoint of Chatsworth in the distance.